Hey guys, welcome back to Kamai Reaction for another reaction video with me today. Hey, how you doing? So I'm back today guys with another reaction video to the group CNCO, and this is CNCO sharing soundtracks songs to their lives. My music moments. I think it's E-News. I believe I'm already sure.
Yo, what's up guys? I'm Joel.
What's up, Pierre?
Eric.
I'm Rich. I'm Christopher, and this is
CNCO.
And we're here to share some music moments.
Solo importas tú, da igual si tengo todo o nada.
So the inspiration for this project came during the pandemic. We kind of had so much free time that almost everyone actually started listening to like the classic old songs, and we just had the crazy idea of bringing back these songs and giving them a new life.
Yeah, we kind of just wanted to hear them in a more recent, vibe.
Rhythm.
Rhythm, and kind of remake the beat and everything, and kind of give them our flow.
Respecting
the originals.
For me, an album that reminded me my childhood was Más Flow 2. It was an album of reggaeton, but I remember listening that album every day when I was going to school.
One that it really reminds me a lot of my childhood, and I used to like sing it a lot in the karaoke. Talento de Barrio by Daddy Yankee.
Yeah,
I used to know.
Yeah, that was great.
One song that reminds me to my childhood, I think would be one of the covers that we did in the album, Entre Mi Vida by Sin Bandera.
Entra en mi vida, te abro la puerta.
Sin Bandera was a really
Ooh, that's so old school.
popular ballet group that I really follow in that moment, and really reminds me of passion and love.
Okay.
I remember like the Beatles and the soundtrack from Grease were like always the ones that
I never watched that movie. It's a very popular movie. Everyone talks about Grease.
Buying was one. Eminem's one. I remember that my childhood I used to
Come
listen
on,
to him
Eminem.
a lot. Eminem and 50 Cent.
Song or album that people might not expect us to love. For me, like Hunter Hayes, Wanted.
I don't know who that is.
Was like one of my childhood songs that I like cried to, bro.
Damn.
When a breakup, bro. Yo, I was in my car. I wanna wrap you up. Give me a second. I just want to,
I think Deja Vu is definitely an album that makes you want to fall in love.
Yup.
So you
Deja Vu
can't
is
you
a
can't
good
miss
song.
that. You gotta download it and check it out, and you'll see what I'm saying.
Exactly.
Lo dejaría todo porque te quedaras. Me creo mi pasado, mi religión. Después de todo está rompiendo nuestro lazo. Y deja el pedazo de este corazón.
Not when I'm at my lowest, but I go to Views by Drake when I'm just like chilling and I want different emotions.
Songs I listen to on my lowest.
Has a lot of variety.
One that I listen a lot to, it's by James Arthur.
Don't know who that is.
Called, Back from the Edge. I really love the album.
Oh my god, for the rest of the life? Ooh, that is a really tough question.
Song I could listen to the rest of my life. It would be Halo by
Hard to
Beyonce.
choose just one song. So much music out there, so good that it's hard.
Nothing can stop me.
I'm all the way.
Fat Joe.
Maybe. Now we're here. Hey, started from the bottom. Now we'll be here. Now we're here. Hey, you turned up. Hey,
That's why I told you are crazy.
Album I wish I record was Bruno Mars album.
24 carats.
That album I think he's a genius. Yeah.
24 karat magic.
In the air.
For me, any Drake album.
Hey.
Or a new Michael album. I would love to.
Yeah. Baby, ya tú.
Yeah.
Ya tú sabes. Hey. Te doy el fin de semana.
Yeah, I think that song is hype.
Yeah, definitely.
That song hype us up.
I can't wait. I love when they perform Hero.
New project that we want fans to sing along to on.
Deja Vu, man.
Deja
Sing
Vu,
it all.
the whole album.
Of course, the whole album.
They're gonna go crazy.
Pa' tan enamorados.
Están enamorados.
Tan enamorada.
Oh,
Que la noche dure un poco más.
I want them to sing the bachata y no solo por un beso. I think that's gonna be hot.
Entre mi vida.
Entre mi vida.
Imagine them singing Entre Mi Vida with us.
The rap of Mis ojos lloran por ti.
Hey,
That'd be
quisiera
crazy.
volver a amarte, volver a amarte,
Yeah,
volver
that's
a
gonna be
amarte.
crazy hearing them sing that. So yeah, you already know CNC on the building. We love you guys.
We love you.
CNCO, Deja Vu.
Yes. Yes. I got my album. Hopefully you guys got your album as well. CNCO Deja Vu album. I got it. I haven't uploaded the recording of me listening to the song yet. I will record it soon and get it listened to. But I am all for this group. I can't wait till this coronavirus gets situated so we all could go back outside and I can attend one of their concert. I'm looking to go to one of their concert as always. I don't mind paying for one of my viewers and subscribers and followers who watch me constantly and subscribe and comment on my posts, who lives here in South Florida area. I don't mind taking a VIP guest with me. So that was CNC share their soundtrack to their life, childhood, and now and inspiration. Whatever you guys want me to react to, feel free to leave a link below in the comment section to get to it as soon as possible. As always, who can do you besides you? I really do appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.